Hello everyone. The new lawyer for one of the accused in the Senzo Meyiwa trial wants to do away with a piece of evidence that speaks to singer Kelly Kumalo shooting the football star by mistake. The trial resumed on Tuesday in the Pretoria High Court. 5 men stand accused of Meyiwa's fatal shooting in October 2014 at Kumalo's home, who was his girlfriend at the time. While the accused have all denied involvement in Meyiwa's murder, the state believes that he was killed in a robbery gone wrong. Both Advocate Manisela Tifo and Titi Tobane, who were the former lawyers for the 4 of the accused in the Senzo Meyiwa trial, told the court that they would bring a witness who would testify that the Bafana Bafana captain was mistakenly shot by his girlfriend, Kelly Kumalo, in a scuffle with Longwe. But on Tuesday, the new lawyer from Tobisi Ncube, Advocate Charles Mnisi, told the court that they want this piece of evidence to be expunged. The state lawyer George Baloyi has objected to this. Mnisi will now have to bring a formal application for the evidence to be expunged. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.